Konnichiwa everyone, this is Nodoka from Artec, the mommy scientist, and today I would like to show you the lie detector from our science papercraft series. Now this product won the Preferred Choice Award from the Creative Child Magazine Awards back in 2015. This product would help you easily understand the principles of electricity and conductivity. Now let's see what's in the box. So in the box we have one paper main body, a paper base, an analog meter, a circuit board, an aluminum plate, and double-sided tape. From home you would need tape, scissors, and a 9-volt battery. Now put the product together. How to use your lie detector. Have your suspect touch both aluminum plates, then ask them a yes or no question. Did you eat something sweet? Was it delicious? Did you eat the piece of cake that was in the fridge I was planning to eat after lunch? How did the meter react? If it didn't swing much, your suspect must be telling the truth. If it swung wildly, your suspect must be lying. This is because your suspect might be sweating because they got nervous from hearing your question. Now let me explain the science to you. The meter needle swings when an electric current flows between the two aluminum plates. Place an object on the two plates. If the needle swings, then the object is electrically conductive. Materials that are less conductive have a higher electrical resistance than materials with high conductivity. Click here for the video where I explain about electrical resistance. When you place your fingers on the aluminum plates, the meter needle swings. This tells us that the human body conducts electricity. When the surface of your fingers are moist with sweat, electrical resistance is lower than when they are dry. This is why the needle swings. When people tell lies, they become flustered and nervous. As a result, their hands get sweaty. The meter reads the change in the electrical resistance caused by the sweat. Lie detectors used in the real world measure various data such as movements of the heart, blood pressure, brain waves, and voice changes to help distinguish lies from truth. You can also use your lie detector as a conductivity tester using this principle. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in our next video. Bye!